People they hustle money in this country. People they find money. City they go build hotel. Inside the hotel, no be hotel now, other things, ritualists, kidnappers, everything. Now they do inside the hotel. This is crazy. You understand? People they hustle in this country. They don't even care. Some people don't buy their wife, don't buy their mother, don't buy their family just because you want to have money. Now, after you don't kill everybody, how do you now enjoy the money? Not that I used to imagine these people that do all these things. How do they have this mind? Something that money that you have today, it will not last. Maybe highest 5 years or 7 years, you are dead. So what is the gain? What is the gain? This is crazy.